Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Guys, this trend is going viral on Instagram, which you have seen in the preview. If you are interested to edit this, then keep watching this video and let's start. So guys, first open your Play Store and type here Dream by WOMBO. You have to type like this and search for this app. First install this application. Okay, open it. You have to click on the try it out option. Now guys, you will click on the plus icon. Now select the image from here and select any picture as you like. I have to select this image for example. You can crop this photo according to you and have to click on the next option. Now select the image quality from here. So I have to select the strong quality. You can see there are many artworks. You have to select any image as you like. Then I like mystical image. So I have to select this image. Now you have to type anything. Select and you can see now create option is enabled. Then create your image. Now guys, you have to download this image from here. Okay, and click on the download original option. Then you have to exit from here. Now you need any application to edit this video, so I am using VN app, which you easily find on the Play Store. So first install the VN application, and when you open this app you will get interface like this. Then guys, you have to click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select that image which you have exported from WOMBO app. So I have to select this image and have to select original image. Now you have to forward from here. So you can see how to import the photos. First import the artwork of this original image and second you have to take the original image. Okay, now guys, first delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16. okay, now guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So first you have to download the reel video. After that we will extract the music from that reel. So once when you download the reel video, after that you will click the plus icon and click the music option. Okay, then guys, you have to click the plus icon and have to click on the export from video option. Now select the reel video which you have downloaded from Telegram channel. Okay, and have to okay from here. Now click the choose option and have to done from here. Okay, music will be added. Now guys, first you adjust your photo accordingly like this. You have to adjust this original photo like artwork photo. Okay, now guys, we will trim the photos according to music. So first I trim the photos. After that I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay, okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. Now note the photos durations. First photo duration you will keep 9.34 second and second photo duration is 1.18 second. Okay, now guys, come to the joint option and have to click on the sticker option and click the photo video option and select that artwork photo. Okay, and adjust as original photo. Then guys, increase your timelines using your pinch to make it easier editing. Okay, now divide the sticker timeline into 5 parts using a split option. Okay guys, you have seen how to split the photos accordingly. Now your video is completed. Let's play the video once. Okay, Okay, so guys, now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from right hand corner and have to done from here. Okay, now you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos editing. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.